Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install VLC media player on your Windows operating system. Double click Microsoft Edge, type VLC, found it first, media player download, click on this one. This is the official website. Do not click on anyone else that says add, click on this and click download VLC. We're going to wait. And it's initiating the download on the browser first. It's almost there. Alright, we could run the installation from here. However, close this out, open File Explorer, click Downloads, double click VLC, click Yes for permissions, select your language and click OK, click Next, continue, clicking Next, and click Install here. It's installing now proper. So extracting. Almost there, halfway, and it's here. So finish. As you can see, it created a desktop icon for us, and if we wanted to pin it here, just right click and click pin to taskbar, and that's all we need to do. The benefit of VLC is that it allows you to play video or music files in just about any format. Okay, all right, leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next